Hi, I'm James from Fine & Country and you join me here today at this stunning Grade 2 listed 5-bedroom townhouse right in the middle of a county town of Warwick. It really is beautiful, lots of space, and at the rear we've got planning consent for a big open plan kitchen dining. There's a lovely quiet garden and parking. Let's take a look around. You've joined me in the rear garden of this fabulous townhouse where we're right in the middle of town, yet we've got parking at the rear and this lovely area which is really quiet. You'd never know you're in the middle of town. I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this beautiful property. If you'd like more information, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.